Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And here we have something new from Matrix Audio. It's their, I don't know if I want to call it first step, but it's a cheaper version of their Element X. And I've noticed between you guys that not a lot of you people use super expensive headphones anymore. You have this DAC for your speakers, active speakers usually, and to say that you need balanced headphone output, that's not so common, not in my circle at least, and with you readers. Me myself, I love a pair of really good headphones with the cable, no noise cancelling, no battery pack, no nothing. But that's something that is dying out, I think. Everybody has active headphones, and that's it. So this Element M is just as good as the other one. The power supply is a bit less, and the volume knob is gone. No, it's not gone, but it's a simple version of it. But the price of this one is 2,000 euro. The other one is at least 3,200 euros. When I bought it, I think a year ago, it was a bit more. Oh, I love the weight of this one. All right, so it doesn't look the same either. And in the suitcase, we have the standard things, quick start guide, but you don't need it. This product is really plug and play. The remote control and cables. I like this packaging. I don't think they have had this suitcase version earlier. I've done a couple of Matrix Audio unboxings this last 1.5 years, and almost every time I see that they step up their boxes, their packaging for every time. So here we have this. It's just as good as all the other Matrix Audio products. So we have all the connections. I'm going to show you up closer, and streaming, etc., etc. This is all you need to get music from any of your products, Xbox, TV, computer, whatever, to your speakers. So RCA, analog output, network, micro SD, USB, digital inputs. Here, it's everything here. And of course, we still have a headphone output. It's just not the balanced, the Pro version, the fine-tuned version. So you can still use your expensive headphones with this, of course. But the other product I feel were just as focused on headphones as it was on driving your speakers. And this one is for your speakers, but you can also use it to your headphones. And I can absolutely say that in my case also, I can't say that I should pay 1,200 euro more to have balanced headphone output, and maybe another feeling in the volume knob, more power. I can see why you should buy the Element X instead of this one, unless you really want that balanced headphone output. So I'm gonna put the camera closer and show you the outputs. Otherwise, it's a smaller than I thought, heavy just the way I like it. We have cooling flances, not flances, on the sides. and another great product from Matrix Audio. So as you can see, we can plug in just about anything here. We have the network, of course, and you can have your music on USB, micro SD, and I prefer optical, or if you have something old maybe, or you just want to keep it simple, you have the RCA, and if you have Pro products, you have the XLR. So you can plug in just about anything here and get sound out to your speakers. Yeah, that's it. I love it when Matrix do these kind of products where you can really choose what you need, and the size is not bigger than it has to be, and the price is still better than anybody else. So yeah, Matrix is listening to their customers and give us what we need and what we want. So I think this is it. I hope you like it. Check the link in the description. I will link all the info about the Matrix product, and just for fun I can show you the bigger model. So here we have Element X side of Element M, the newer one, and as you can see is quite smaller, and I have never seen the Element X earlier as big. Absolutely not. It's still smaller than anything else that does that kind of thing that DAC does. But now without the balanced headphone output, I don't see, there's even one less reason to buy the bigger model. So yeah, I really prefer the smaller model. By my computer I have the Mini I version. That is not Pro, is also that kind of product that gives you what you need in the smallest size possible. But here with the Mini, with the M, Element M, I think it's a perfect size, and the price is really good as well, 2,000 euro instead of the bigger model that costs at least 3,200 euro. So this is my unboxing of the Matrix Audio Element M, and if you have any questions, just ask me. I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.